The Queues option on the left-hand menu panel allows you access to basic stats on selected queues for monitoring purposes. Select the blue pin icon. From the list of queue groups and queues, select the ones that you want to monitor. Pay attention to the different media type options that you have access to. Select Save when you are ready. The first number in green shows the number of available agents in the selected queue or queue group. The second number in blue shows the number of interactions waiting to be answered within the selected queue or queue group. Where there are interactions queuing, you can click on the queue or queue group to review the list. Select Back to return to the pinned queues. The third number indicates the current service level for the selected queue or queue group. Once you have pinned your queues, you can have them displayed on your inbox. Select Inbox on the left-hand menu panel. Select the drop-down arrow next to the list and grid box to expand into your queues. Your pinned queues will be visible on your inbox. Pinned queues are still visible when you receive incoming interactions.